Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Writer's Workshop. Today we are going to start a whole new unit, but before we get started, let's make sure we're ready to learn. So eyes watching, ears listening, quiet as a mouse, and still like a pretzel. Okay, so in the unit that we're about to begin, you are going to learn about writing a how-to book. And specifically today, for today's lesson, you are going to learn about brainstorming a topic for your how-to book and about writing an introduction, which you guys already know a lot about. Okay, so what is how-to writing? How is that different from the other types of writing that we've done? A how-to book is a type of nonfiction book that teaches your reader how to do or make something. Okay, so it's kind of like an instructional book. Here's some examples of a how-to book that you've probably seen around your house. You have a cookbook, I'm sure, which teaches you how to make recipes and how to make food. You've also probably seen an instructional manual around your house, which tells us how to put things together, like different appliances and machines. You might have seen a how-to book like this if you're a Lego person. Of course, this how-to book doesn't have any words, but it does have really detailed pictures that show you what to do exactly. Okay, and that's what you're going to do in your how-to book, except yours is going to have words. Other examples that you might find in your library, like how to make a pizza, how to make slime, how to make a sandcastle. Okay, all of these are examples. So what's a good idea for a topic when you are writing a how-to book? It's really important that you choose something you know how to do really, 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 really well. Something you've done a lot of times, not something that you've only done one time. You really want to be an expert on it. Okay, that would be a good idea for a topic. You also want to keep it super simple. KISS. Keep it super simple. Even if you know how to do something really well, like making an apple pie or riding a bike, that's not going to be a great topic for us in what we're doing in first grade because that book gets a little bit complicated. Okay, we want to pick topics that you need only a few things to do it or make it, and that only have a few steps. And you'll see what I mean a little bit later. So here's some good examples of topics that other first graders have done in the past. This one is how to make chocolate milk, how to make peanut butter and jelly, how to make a bowl of cereal, how to brush your teeth. Okay, all of these will make good topics because you can see we are KISSing it, keeping it super simple. For the example that we're going to do today, I chose how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So I want to just show you the different parts of your how-to book, just so you know ahead of time what you're going to be using. This is actually special how-to paper. This is the cover, okay, where you're going to say how to, and you'll tell your reader what it is, draw a picture, okay. That's just the cover. It also has an introduction page, its own page for the introduction. It has what's called a you will need page, which I'm going to talk about a little bit later. It has a page for each and every step of your how-to book. So this is step 1, step 2. You can have as many steps as you need. Step 3, step 4, step 5. But we don't want to really get into step 6, step 7, step 8, because that's not keeping it super simple. Okay, so we want to just keep that in mind. And then the last page is your closing, okay? Once again, I'm reminding you, keep it super simple. Okay, so now we're going to talk about an introduction. Now, like I said before, you guys are actually already becoming pretty strong with writing introductions, okay? That's like we talked about writing a hook, writing an opening when we did our opinion pieces. You could ask a question in your introduction, like, have you ever eaten a peanut butter and jelly sandwich? Read this book to find out how to make one. Okay, so you could ask a question. You could make a dramatic statement like you did with your personal narratives. You could say, "Ooh, I missed jelly. I missed the word. Peanut butter and jelly sandwiches make the best lunch in the whole world." Okay, that's pretty dramatic. Okay. Or you can do what I did, which is keep it super basic. When you're writing a how to book, the very least that your introduction should do is tell your reader what you're going to teach them. So, a very super basic opening would be, "This book will teach you how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich." Okay? And you can see right here, that's exactly what I did. I chose to keep it super basic. And in my introduction, I said, "This book will teach you how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich." Okay? From here, you are going to fill out your "You Will Need" page. And this is where you're going to list every single thing that you need to do, whatever it is you're teaching. So in my case, for peanut butter and jelly sandwich, I know I need peanut butter, jelly, bread, a knife, and a plate. Okay? So here I go. It's only 5 items: peanut butter, jelly, bread, knife, and a plate. Okay? Um, I know this is a good topic because I only need 5 things. If I needed like 12 things for my teaching book, for my how-to book, that's telling me that I'm not keeping it super simple. But 5 items is pretty good. Okay, that was a lot. I know we just tried to cram in a lot of information, but don't worry, we're going to review it. Now it's your turn to brainstorm a how-to topic. Remember to KISS, keep it super simple. You can keep it simple just like we do. And the most important thing to remember when you brainstorm your how-to topic, make sure you choose a manageable topic and that you name your topic in your introduction. All right, my friends, I will see you next time. Happy writing.